Hey guys, we can't wait for you to learn about the new sound studio here at the Parks Library.
Here are a few things you'll need to know before using this setup.
Press the power button on at the back of the Rodecaster Pro 2. Ensure that you also turn on the PC at the back so that you can transfer your recording once complete.
Here's how to set levels for each mic. You'll notice each mic is color-coded, which matches up here on the screen. You can also play with fun sound effects.
Press on the record button on the front to start your recording. A short press to pause and a long press to stop.
Ensure the channel faders are all down if you want to play it back through the speakers, and turn on the physical speakers at the switch.
Press on the SD card icon on the screen of the Rodecaster Pro 2 to begin transferring your recording. Then press on transfer mode.
The Sound Studio has Audacity and Pro Tools available for you to use. The following instructions explain how to edit in Audacity. Navigate to where your recording is saved on the PC. If you have just transferred your recording from the Rodecaster Pro 2, this should still be displayed on the screen. At this point, you can delete any channels that you didn't use. Open Audacity.
Click OK on the pop-up that appears.
Drag the files from where they are saved into Audacity.
Now that the files are in Audacity, you can refer to the Sound Studio Start Guide on how to edit your recording, but here are some pointers.
You can copy and paste a selected segment into a different part of your recording. Press Enter before pasting. Always edit on the middle line, which is called zero crossing, to prevent an audible click. Therefore, after selecting a part to remove, press the Z key on the keyboard, which creates the zero crossing, then hit delete.
Control and I on your keyboard splits the track. Here are some cool keys and shortcuts. Press the plus button to expand files. Spacebar on your keyboard pauses.
Ensure that you save your work as you go. Select Save Project under the File drop-down. Once you have finished editing your recording in Audacity, select Export Audio under the File drop-down. The format you save it in really depends on what you're planning to do with it. Choosing WAV means that you will get the file exported uncompressed, best for archive work such as oral history recordings. Whereas choosing MP3 is most suitable if you are planning to upload it to a streaming platform. And if there's anything slightly more advanced that you're wanting to achieve in your recording, such as having an online guest, we recommend checking out the full guide for the Rodecaster Pro 2 on the Rode website.
Find out more about the Sound Studio at PAELibraries.com.au or ask in the library. We hoped that helped, but you can always find out when we are running a full intro to the Sound Studio if you learn better in person and in a small group setting. The contents of this video are also available as a written help guide, which you can find inside the Sound Studio.